Hey Joe, you haven't made a video in a while. You're right. Let's do one. So since I posted my last video, I've been doing a lot of thinking about how I can bring more content to the channel. Looking at it, it's probably going to be at least a year, maybe a little more than that, before I'm able to relocate to a place where I can really put this channel in a place where I want it to be, where I can show you guys daily videos of me growing actual cannabis plants. So in the meantime, I really want to find ways to fill in the space between now and then. And so I've really been thinking about what is it that I really want to accomplish with this channel. What is my end goal and what is it that I'm trying to do? And really thinking about it, I think there's a couple of things that I want to accomplish. First of all, I do want to help to educate people on how to grow marijuana plants. But the truth is I've never done that myself. I'm simply just summarizing the information that I've read in these books. And I really just want to have you guys learn along with me as I learn and go through the process of starting my own garden once I relocate to a place where I can do so legally. So I don't want to make it seem like I know everything that I'm talking about just because I'm some kind of expert. No, I'm actually just trying to bring you guys in on my exploration of the topic and on my journey to expertise. And the second thing I wanted to do with this channel is to change some laws in states that are not yet legal. And one of the best ways to do that is by dispelling myths, and especially dispelling the lazy myth. I currently don't live in a place where I can consume legally, but I wanted to let you guys kind of see certain aspects of my life and lifestyle, so that once we do live in a place where I can consume legally, you'll be able to see that the lifestyle I live doesn't really change, and that my ability to live an active lifestyle and consume legally on a regular basis will not really hinder each other. So in addition to the informational type stuff that I've already been doing and the practice grows that I'm hoping to get started with soon, I also kind of wanted to work in some vlog type stuff where I'm also just out and about doing random stuff, like going on hikes, playing golf, different stuff like that. And for those of you who followed me on Snapchat, you know I've started training in jiu-jitsu. So if you don't follow me on Snapchat, what are you doing? Follow me on Snapchat. That's all for this video. I just want to give you guys a quick update on my plans for the channel and kind of just see what you thought about that. If you think that's a good idea, give that like button a click, a smash, a push, whatever, touch, whatever kind of device you're watching on. Until next time, guys, Mallette's grow.